Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what part of the world you are in. I am Old Man 102. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Automation Empire. Have the game on pause. Let's look at research first. So this was backing up, so I added one more research bay each. So I added basically two more research bays to get more product through. Now, we have researched enough iron, enough coal, and enough weight to unlock the combiner. We're going to unlock that. In order for the combiner to work properly, we need the remote connectors. We're a little bit shy on getting the weight out. There's no material requirement for this, so we need to work on getting the weight out so we can unlock this. Then we're going to change up the entire factory. I just took the research out of these, so what we're going to do now is we are going to completely blow apart this factory a little bit. Well, not completely blow it apart. We're going to take the research out of this building. We're going to add another whole setup in here, so we have 9 running. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 8 running. We're going to get a 9th one in. And why we're going to get a 9th one in is we have 9 trucks. There's 3 trucks per road. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 9 assembly lines, 9 trucks. I put 1 claw train track in just as a test to see if I can get 2 trucks off of 1 claw train, but one of these setups with the box machine and crate makers and furnaces will not quite keep up with 2 trucks. We're going to have to run 1 line per truck now, which means we get rid of these stupid drones. Which means this is really cool. Watch, they're gonna blow up. Watch this. Bam! We're gonna blow all of our drones up. Bam! They go up in smoke. It is so cool. But whatever they're carrying, we lose. But that's all right. So we're gonna get rid of all of our drones, which broke our power for. Okay, that broke our power for something. Oh, broke our power for the research base. That's all good. So now we got rid of these drones. We're going to change up the claw tracks a little bit. And I'm really hoping I can get them all in here, but I may have to move some of the trucks around. So let's get the claw track truck unloaders on. So let's go. Can I reverse these? Yeah, I can reverse these. Let's go this way. We can always change these. Let's get 1 there. We need to get 1 there, 1 here, and 1 there. So I'm actually going to change this up a little bit as well. So I also had to take some doors, and I had to put doors in all the way around the top to open up the factory. So we put all of our doors in. I'm going to leave this on pause. This whole episode will probably stay on pause. So what I'm going to do is, I know that I cannot run 2 trucks off of 1 claw train. So we're going to swap. I didn't want to get rid of that road section. That's going to happen. We're going to take out part of these claw trains so we can swap it up a little bit, which means I accidentally got rid of one of the trucks. So let me put the road section back in. Let me put the claw train truck unloader back in. Let me just run this for a minute. Alright, now let's finish this loop up. So I've got to come over this way and then come back that way. Now it closes this loop up. So now I'm going to come into here. Now you need 2 doors per claw train. You got to bring it in. Well, you don't have to make a loop, but I like to make a loop. So we come back, we turn it, we come out this door. Now we've got to come back to this second one. So I'm going to take it back as far as I can. We're going to come back this way, and we're going to get, oh, did I not come out far enough? Alright, let us then take this one off, and we will, yeah, let's come up to here. We'll bring this guy from here back. We'll hook it to there, and then this guy's going to have to come here, hang a quick turn, and start working his way back here. And then it's going to come over this way, and then it's going to come back. Ah, wrong one. These things are a pain in the butt. Alright, let's try that again. So I'm going to actually, since it's facing that way, let's go here. Alright. So that gets another loop to another truck. Now we need... Oh. Alright, so what else I had, I had to take one of the conveyors out, and you have to put in another section of this track, because the claw trains will not pick up on the step conveyors. They will only pick up on the unload or a loading or an unloading station. So you have to change up. So there's 6 of these. 6 of this one. So this last step conveyor, so I need 6 of these. So this one has to come out, and this one has to go in. Will you not go there? Why will you not go there? What's blocking you? Oh, is this like box? Do I have to get rid of this box maker? Is that box like in the way now? So I gotta put this one back on. See if it'll let me put this one in. Yeah, that thing was in the way. Alright, the box was in the way. So let's throw... Why will you not go on there? Oh, that one has to be a step conveyor. Crap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? Alright, hold on. We move. Put you back here. I can put you back there. Alright, so now we have 6 of these. So 1, 2, 3, so we have 6 on these, all the lines going across on this side. I don't have them done on the other side. We have them done on this side. Now we want to go back to our claw trains, and we want, you got putter downers or picker uppers. We want the picker uppers. So I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 picker uppers. And we're going to click on the track, and we're going to add, click on the track, and we're going to add 12 claws. So that, now we have, instead of having one of them running out to a truck, we'll have 2 of them running out to a truck. So the claws are going to come in, they're going to pick up the boxes, and they're going to take them directly out to the waiting truck. So there's no trucks sitting here currently because I've filled them both up. So as soon as the next truck comes in and your claw train comes back, it's going to automatically load your truck for you. So now we don't have to worry about those stupid drones messing everything up. Alright, so what do we have? We've got 3 more claw trains. How many do we have on this side? 2 more. So I'm going to have to move one of these setups over. So this setup's going to have to move over by 1 truck. Alright, so let me do this. It's going to make it much easier for me. Let's go. You're going to come in here. You're going to hang a quick turn. You're going to come out that door. You're going to come in here. You're going to make a quick turn. And you're going to come out that door. May have to switch this one around a little bit. Alright, so you're going to go over here. I think we're going to come around. I think I'm going to come around and hook these up, but you get the general idea on how we are going to hook all these up. So I'm going to leave you here. I'm going to do a jump cut. I'm going to get all of these put in, and I'll bring y'all back once we get this running. We may have to make some slight adjustments to it. So give me some time to work on this and I will bring you all back. Alright, I am back, but I broke the electricity, so let me try and get this hooked back in. So that's going to get everything fired back up. Let me make sure I have electric over here now. And we do. Alright, so what I had done is I had ran, it took me a little bit, but I had ran all the tracks out to all the truck loading stations. So let us now come back into here. Let's go we want our picker uppers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll click on this track and we'll go 12 trains. And then we'll go back to here and we'll go picker upper, we'll go 6. And we'll click on this track, we'll go 12. And then we'll come over here. Now we're going to have 2 trucks with nothing, but we're going to change that up in a minute. So let's start over here. And we want the picker upper. So we have 6 there, so we'll throw 12 claws on that track. And 6 more. And we'll click on that track. We got 12 going there. And then we want the picker uppers. And we'll click on this track. And we got 12 going there. Now, this truck won't get any for now, and this truck won't get any for now, but let's fire this back up. And now we're going to have our claws coming in, picking up the boxes. Did I not pause? I don't see any on this track. Oh, we didn't add any claws. Alright. So now we got them coming in here, we got them picking them up, we got them coming out here, and they're putting them directly onto the truck. And then by the time the next truck pulls in, this claw train should have 6 more boxes ready to go. Why are you running empty? Oh, you're running empty because you're not hooked up to a truck. So now we're not waiting for these stupid drones to fly back and forth. We're bringing our boxes directly out to the trucks. So by the time this truck's going to pull in, this claw train is going to come right back around. It's got 6 more boxes. He's going to load the truck. So it's not super efficient, but the truck should not be pulling out empty waiting for product. Now we can speed, with research, we can speed up the claw trains as well. We can add more claw trains, and we can speed up the claw train so they can come out a lot quicker, so they'll move a lot quicker. So that's an option as well. And then we should not have anything backing up in our factory now either, so this is going to run a lot more efficient. Alright, so let's throw it on pause and let's look at our research tree. Okay, so now we're just waiting for, so we have enough, yeah, so this one we've unlocked. We're waiting on this one. All we need to do is get the rest of our weight up to 9,000 over a 3-month average, and then we can get this unlocked, then we change up the entire factory. So what we are going to do now is we are going to get rid of this setup for the research. So that's going to go, that's going to go, that's going to go, and then all of our tracks have to come out of the factory. So this whole research train is going to get moved. So you're going to go, and we're going to come out of the factory. This whole setup's going to go. This whole setup's going to go. And then we'll come back here, we'll get rid of this whole setup. So no more train coming back here. No more train coming back. So this factory is going to be strictly weight going out now. So this whole mess goes. And then this whole mess is going to go. We're going to have to change up our research. So this is going to go. That's going to go. Get rid of all of this for now. All gone. Alright, now we're going to come back in here and we have to switch these up. So we have to get rid of these guys, and I need 6. So let's grab these. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, 6. So now we have 6. Let's grab our claw train, picker upper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take this track, we'll add 12 claws. And then that truck will now have product. Now, we are going to do this whole setup again. Let's jump in here. And we'll do, alright, so 1, 2, 3, and we'll do 3, 3, 2, 1. You're going to go that way. You're going to go that way. You're going to skip every 2. You're going to skip every 1. So spin it around. Oop, that was a quick spin. Alright, so we need this guy. 3 or 2? 2, 2, 1. You're going to go there. You're going to go there. And then we need 6 of these guys. Alright, and then we'll spin this dude back around. Alright, now we need our picker uppers. And then we'll click on this track, 12 claws. Or is it this track? 12 claws. Okay, which one is this one here, right? How did we get 12? I may have put the claws on the wrong track. Alright, but anyway, we'll see what happens when we fire it up. Alright, so now we need a crate maker. So it's going to go there. We're going to need a transfer tube there. And we're backed up on coal, so let's go this way and there. And then we'll fire up. So we should have 12 claws on this track. There should be 12 claws on this track. There are. Okay. So now we should have product going out to every single truck. Now we don't have any research going, but we've got product coming out now to every single truck. It's not the most efficient setup, but it works. It's really fun to sit here and watch as well. Because now that we have these other 2 trucks hooked up, there shouldn't be any empty trucks going out. We should be completely efficient. So now every time one of these trucks leaves, it's just bringing up the cash. So you're going to see like $8,000, $9,000 per truck pop in here. Alright, now let's deal with our research. Since we're not doing any research in this building at all now, and our research is now completely stalled. And in order for us to get this guy unlocked, we have to have 500,000 research, and we're sitting on 123,000. So back to pause. Now if we look at our research tree, to unlock the water, we need to research refined gold. And then to come down this tree, we need to do refined oil. To unlock the train, we need to do refined gold, which we have to do anyway to unlock this guy. So refined gold is going to unlock this and part of the train. We also need to do steel. Okay, so how do we do steel? Steel plates, we combined our fired iron and our fired coal turns into steel. Well, this plant right now is doing half coal and half iron. So this factory is going to get changed up to do steel plates after we unlock these remote connectors. So these 2 work together. Alright, so now we need to focus on gold and gold fuel to unlock the oil pump. So first we're going to unlock gold to get the water tower unlocked. Then we're going to do oil to get the farming unlocked. Then we need to do gold fuel to unlock the oil pump. Gold fuel is a combination of coal and gold. So we need another flex factory to do. We'll pull a little bit of coal from here. We have gold sitting right here, and we have oil sitting here. And I believe we can pull some more. I think there's coal around the corner as well if we need to pull that in. I think, yeah, so we have a little bit of coal back here. So what we're going to do is we are going to build a flex factory, and it doesn't need to be big as that one, but we're going to build ourselves a flex factory somewhere in here. I think that's the largest I can get it. Alright, so we're going to do a flex factory in here. So right now the only thing we wanted to do is refined gold. So I'm actually going to turn us this way. So we are going to go, just throw a door here, throw a couple doors in here for now. And I think we're going to run this factory. So we're going to, which way do I want to run this factory? Let's get our machine set up. Actually, let's just throw a bunch of, we have the money. Let's just get our bunch of doors in. We'll figure it out later. And so we just want to get like 2 sets of this up and running and get our gold out so we can get our research fired back up. So we are about a half an hour in. We are a little bit short of being about a half an hour in, but I'm going to leave it here. So we'll pick it up next episode. We'll get a line of, furnaces, crate makers. We'll get gold fired up here. We'll bring the gold into the factory. We'll get another train running it out here to our research, and we'll start researching our gold. Fired gold, not raw gold, fired gold, so we can get the water towers unlocked. Because with the water towers unlocked, it's going to give us capabilities of speed. It's going to speed up our machines by having the water. So while we are here, let's just let this run on. We'll work on the gold factory and the research next episode. Let's just watch some poetry in motion over here. And let's watch our, I want to hit this 9,000 to unlock this, but we don't have any research. So we're going to have to get the research going. But I'm really hoping this factory, running efficient as it is now, gets our average up to 9,000 shipping out. Because right now we're shipping out, where are we? I thought it showed us. Okay, so right now we're 7,380 for our 3-month weight average. Now remember, we're a long way from 30,000 our first goal and 45,000 our second goal. We're pretty much sitting at 7380. Now I'm hoping this gets us to 9,000. We may have to build one more small factory, put in another line of 3 trucks to get this from 73 to 9,000. Let this run for another minute or two, and we'll see if this weight starts to jump up. I shouldn't have any empty trucks. Are we out of... We got coal. We have iron. Shouldn't have any empty tracks with no claws. We have 100. Let's unlock. Let's speed up. We have 50,000. Speed these guys up. That's going to make these guys go a little bit faster. And then we're out of research points. Let's just watch our average here for a minute. If it doesn't come off of 7380, then we're going to have to ship more product out. Or we're not going to be able to unlock our remote connectors. Now this is a 3-month average, so we're going to probably have to let the game run on for a little bit while we're building the factory for our gold and to research our gold. So this is going to become a flex factory. Oh, we have some more research points. Perfect. So what we'll probably do is let's grab those real quick. Grab those really quick and let's speed up our how much. Okay, so this next one is yeah, let's speed this up. Let's speed these guys up as fast as we can get them. And then that's going to make these claw trains go as fast as they can, so that hopefully that'll push some product out. Well, look, we'll check on that next episode. But this factory is now going to become our flex factory. So first we're going to do gold. We'll get the gold researched, and then that'll be able to unlock. So we get 100 gold research. We can get this unlocked once we get the weight up, and we'll get half of our train requirements met. Then we're going to switch this over to oil. Well, actually, we'll switch it over to gold fuel, so we can unlock the oil pumps. And then after we unlock the oil pumps, we'll switch it over to oil so we can unlock the farming. So this is going to be a flex factory next episode. I am OldMan102. I am going to leave it here. Appreciate everybody stopping in. Please smash that like and subscribe on your way out. It'll help the channel grow. And I hope everyone has an awesome day.